are you all? I hope all of you are fine in your home. So you are promoted to for UKG to first standard. So in this first standard there is a one new subject that is called Hindi. Hindi is a new subject for you all. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಹಿಂದಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ ಇದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಕ್ಷರಾಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. I will teach you how to write letters in Hindi language. Okay? Before that, I will ask you few questions to you. Okay? So all of you see cricket ball? Yes, I think all of you see cricket ball. So, which shape is it looks? So, the cricket ball looks like in a circular shape. So, now I will divide this circular into 4 parts. First half and second half. Vertical and linear. Okay. First half, I have cut the first half. Okay. Then it become a upper curve. Okay. Then I will cut when I cut the upper part, the remaining is the lower part of curve. So this is the lower part of the curve. Then when we join these two curves, it become circular shape, isn't it? So, and I will make another curve from left to right here, from left to right. Okay, this is a left curve and this is a right curve. So when we join these curves, it makes a circular. Okay, then I will show you one thing, object. Okay, what is this? This is a stake. This is a stake. So, in which position is it now? It is in a standing position. And I am also in a standing position. So, it is in a standing position. For example, tree. Tree is also in a standing position. Or building. Building is also in a standing position. So, for example, when we cut the tree and it comes down on the earth, then it becomes a sleeping position, isn't it? For example, here this is the stake. When I slide down and I put it on my hand, so then it is in a sleeping position. It is in a sleeping position. So, now by this stake I will move slightly to the right side. So, it become a slanting line or slanting stroke. For example, when you all of you all went to the park, so there you can play with the slides, isn't it? So, it is also look like this, slanting stroke. Another is opposite of this, another slanting stroke. So, and when I join these two, standing and sleeping stroke, standing position and sleeping position, we also can call it as a standing stroke or sleeping stroke. These are all strokes. Okay, I think you learned in UKG. So when I add these standing and sleeping stroke here, first is I should add sleeping stroke and a standing stroke. I think it is similar to it is in English alphabet. Which letter it is? It is T. So, I will repeat it again. circular stroke, upper curve, lower curve, left curve, right curve, standing stroke, sleeping stroke, slant stroke, opposite of the slant stroke, and the letter T. Okay, we should remember all these strokes before you learn Hindi language. Okay, by using these all strokes you can learn the letter of the Hindi Varnamala. Okay, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹಿಂದಿ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಕ್ಷರವನ್ನ बरेयोगे सहाय आगुत्ते। तो आज हम क्या सीखेंगे? अक्षराभ्यास। We will learn the letters writing based on these strokes or curves. Okay, first letter in ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ. ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಯಾವುದು? ಅ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಮೊದಲ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಅ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂದಿ ಅಕ್ಷರದಲ್ಲೂ ಹಿಂದಿ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಅ ಅನ್ನ ಪದ ಅ ಅನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವೀಗ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಹಾಯದಿಂದ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ಲೆಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೋಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ curves. Okay, this is which curve? Right curve. Right curve. Another right curve. It is look like 3, isn't it, in numbering? Yeah. First curve, second curve, and sleeping stroke. How is sleeping strokes look like? Here, this is a sleeping stroke. Then we should add in between these two curves, add the one sleeping stroke and standing stroke. After that, standing stroke. First curve, second curve, and in middle I'll write a middle one is a sleeping stroke and standing stroke, and another one is sleeping stroke. Again, sleeping stroke. Okay, in Kannada ಅ, ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಹಿಂದಿಲೂ ಅ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೂಡ್ಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ನೀನು ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಬರೆದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒನ್ ಕರ್ವ್, ರೈಟ್ ಕರ್ವ್, ಅನದರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಕರ್ವ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ 3? ಸೊ another sleeping stroke in between these curves, and we should join the sleeping stroke to a standing stroke. Okay, and we should make a T letter here like this. Okay, T letter here. This is A in Hindi Varnamala. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 3 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಲೈನು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೇ 3 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು 3 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಂದಿ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲ ಈಸ್ ಆ. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಆ ಅಂತ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ವರ್ಣ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದೇ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಆನು ಕೂಡ. first curve and second curve. It is also look like 3. Okay, in between another sleeping stroke. One sleeping stroke between these two curves and two standing stroke. So here there is only one standing stroke. In this, two standing strokes, and after that sleeping stroke. Okay, similar to okay, here I added only another one standing stroke here, then it become in Kannada ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಟೈಮು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ I will tell you here. Okay, first curve, another one curve and sleeping stroke and two standing stroke. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟು ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಈ ಗೆರೆ ಎಳೆಯೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ, ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎಳೆಯೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್. curve, another curve, sleeping stroke in between these two lines and another two standing stroke after this letter. Okay, and sleeping stroke at the upper word. Okay, is it look similar to a? Yes, we just added only one standing stroke here. Okay, ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಇದೆ? ಇ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಹಿಂದಿಲೂ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇ ನೇ ಬರೋದು. ಸೇಮ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ವರ್ಣಮಾಲೆ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೇನೆ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ small standing stroke here, isn't it? Here, small standing stroke and a left curve. Okay, left curve and another curve. Okay, it is look like a S in your English alphabet. Okay, and after that we will make small circular stroke. Okay, and after this we should add the standing stroke to the circular stroke like this. Small standing stroke, curve and another one curve and small circle, and this goes downwards to the standing stroke. That's it. And after that another sleeping stroke at the above. Okay, in Kannada E without line I will tell you here another time. Okay, small standing stroke, one curve and another one curve, and we will make one small circle. We will make one small circle here and it will go down and we will make a standing stroke and another sleeping stroke. It become E. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಯಾವುದನ್ನ ಕಲಿತ್ವಿ? E. ಈಸಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸತ ನೋಡಲ್ವಾ? ಆಯಿತು. one curve, another curve, or it is also write 3. Okay, first write 3 number. That's it. It become half of R, and in between these two curve a sleeping line or stroke, and standing line and another sleeping line. It become a. And next one is R. One curve, another curve. In between these two curves, there is a sleeping line, and two standing stroke, and we should join these two standing stroke to sleeping line. Then it become A. Okay, A. And next is E. Small standing stroke, curve, and another curve, and we will make small circle here, and we should join the standing stroke and another sleepy stroke. Then what we learned today? A, E. Okay, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋಣ. A, E. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಟೈಮು A, E. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು I will rub these. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಅಳಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ I rub the Kannada translation. So now you should tell me which one these. Okay, which is this letter in Hindi Varnamala? A. And this A and E. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬರೆಯೋದು ಕಲಿತ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಹೇಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕರ್ವ್ or second curve. Okay, now I will write it again. First curve, second curve. Okay, and in between these two curves, sleeping line, standing line, and another sleeping line, and this will become A. Next is A. Curve, another curve, and sleeping line, and two standing stroke, or, and after that which one should come? Sleeping stroke. It become A. Next is E. Small standing stroke and curve, and another one curve, and then make small circle out here, and we should join this small circle to standing stroke and the sleeping stroke. Then it become E. A, E. Antalva. Now you learn A to E by using these strokes. Okay, so now I taught you the A to E. So all of you write in your notebook for at least 5 times, and tell while writing you should pronounce the words or you should pronounce the letters. Okay.